In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an invoice on Ryanair. If you need a copy of your invoice for expense tracking, reimbursement, or your own records, the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can find it quickly on the Ryanair website. To begin, go to the official Ryanair website. Make sure you're on the correct site before continuing, since this helps you avoid third-party booking pages and ensures you're accessing your real booking information directly through Ryanair. Once you're on the homepage, look for the My Bookings section and click on it. This is where Ryanair stores the details for flights you've already booked, and it's the area you'll need in order to access your invoice. After selecting My Bookings, make sure you are in the Manage My Bookings area. This is important because Ryanair may have different sections for searching flights, checking travel information, or managing reservations. For this task, you want to be specifically inside the booking management section, where your active and existing reservations are listed. From there, if you already have an existing booking or a flight that has been booked, locate that reservation in the list. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct trip, especially if you have more than one booking under your account. This can help prevent downloading the wrong invoice by mistake. Next, click on the flight or booking you want to open. This should bring up the details of that reservation. In this view, you'll usually be able to see the main options related to your trip, such as passenger information, travel details, and downloadable documents. Look for the option that says Download Invoice and click it. Once you do, the invoice should begin downloading, or it may open in your browser first depending on your device and browser settings. If it opens in a new tab, you can then save it to your computer or phone for future use. If you don't immediately see the invoice option, double check that you opened the correct booking and that you're fully inside the booking details page. Sometimes the option appears only after selecting the individual flight rather than just viewing the summary. And that's it. That's how to get an invoice on Ryanair. As a quick tip, once you download it, save it somewhere easy to find, like a travel folder or receipts folder, so you don't have to repeat the process later.